Yes, please done now. इतनी देर तो नहीं लगती है बच्चे. Yes, done. नो रिप्लाई. मैं भी ऐसी चुप करके बैठ जाऊं फिर तुम्हारे लेक्चर में? ऐसे ही निकाल देते हैं हम लेक्चर फिर. If you
No,
don't
I
want
can
to
check.
reply.
I can.
No, I cannot.
Okay. Okay. Any volunteer who can give interview. डरना नहीं है, कुछ नहीं होता. Situational based भी normal होती है. Anyone who can give interview now? Yes, Dinesh. Will you do it?
Sorry, ma'am. I can't do it, ma'am.
Okay.
I need some time.
Why you need some time? बच्चे बहुत टाइम दे दिया. इंटरव्यू देनी है, तुमसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, आपने अपनी समझ सूझबूझ से आंसर देना है. नथिंग एल्स. हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
ट्राई तो करो.
No, ma'am.
I'll help you. Don't worry. डरना नहीं है. I'll help you out. ठीक है.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Harsh, will you take interview?
Yes, I'm sure. Why not?
Okay. Okay. Both of you, you can be with you, and your time starts now.
So, hello Dinesh. I welcome you. And so just make yourself comfortable and just leave aside your hesitation and just answer frankly but wisely. Okay. So just tell me this thing. When you received the mail of a company that is you were like recruited, you were shortlisted for the interview. What was the first thought or what was the feel at that very moment that came in your mind? Now, what was you feeling? Can you please tell me?
Dinesh, are you there? Dinesh, are you there? Roll number 23. Dinesh, I'm audible to you. Dinesh, your mic is not working. Okay, anyone else who can give interview?
I will give.
Okay, Ankit. Last time as well you had given. And others who are not taking part, see yourself. बच्चे practice करने से improve करोगे. Ankit is doing practice and seriously I can see the improvement. मैंने last class में भी बोला था. Okay, Ankit, start.
Ma'am, first of all, sir, I want to know about the which kind of job you are providing.
I think so. I
Because
already asked the question. You need to reply that first.
can you repeat the question?
So, okay, I'm telling you that when you read the mail reached you and you have read that mail, the company has shortlisted some of the employees, upcoming employees, and you were one of them. So, like, what was the first feel that came in your mind? What was your thought? How was you feeling
Sir,
about that?
sir, your voice was not clear. Voice is not clear.
I was
हर्ष
saying
थोड़ा सा
that
loudly बोलो.
I was saying that how did you feel when you got to know that you were shortlisted for the interview from our company? What was the feel and how were you feeling that time? That thought in your mind and heart? Can you please tell me about that?
Yes, sir. So I felt really good because this is this for this day I worked throughout my lifetime, and until now I have worked for this, and I was really very happy. I worked hard for this, and I'm very happy that I made it, and I am here and I am talking to you.
What type of hard work did you do? just by applying, and you are saying the hard work. Can you elaborate about hard work? Tell me about your
Sir,
past and hard work.
oh, if I talk about hard work, okay, fine. So if talking about interview, you need some of the qualities, and that is why if I talk about the hard work here, then I worked throughout my classes regarding to appear in such interviews. So I worked over my skills, such as by working in projects, by working in going to stage, building up my communication skills, and sir, achieving on coming at this interview platform requires some of the interpersonal required skills, so that we can work in your company. And that is why I feel that I made it, and I am happy by coming here.
So basically, you mean to say that by applying for interviews and giving interviews, you mean that you have done a lot of hard work. I think so. You are very much self-obsessed with yourself.
No, sir, I am not a kind of self-obsessed, but I think that if you are
Tell me
working on,
something that what you have actually achieved and you have really worked hard. Not, I'm not saying that you have already achieved and you are towards the achieving of that goal. So tell me about that thing. One quality as your hard work that you have proven yourself. At one any example, but answer wisely.
yeah, if I say about qualities, then I worked in many projects, and that in those projects I obtained many skills such as leadership qualities. I did a project in my school regarding a rainwater harvesting, and I was the leader at that time, and I worked with my team, and we worked really good, and we were appreciated at that time. And uh, and uh, this was one
Okay,
example.
okay, got it, got it. So
Yes,
you
sir.
were talking about leadership. Just
Yes,
tell
sir.
me
Because
one thing.
we will
What is
we
first?
just
Listen the
work.
question, please. I'm
Okay, okay.
saying you are saying about leadership and you were like leading a project and you are head of that thing. Just tell
Yes,
me one thing, maybe it can be based on your past experience, that
yes.
leadership, what is basically a leader and what are the leadership qualities? And that as a leader, how did you feel that you were a good leader and your employees and the co-workers and the helpers were happy with you? Or can you explain about that? What is
Yes,
basically
sir.
a leader according
Yes,
to
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
Just keep
So,
yourself as a leader and imagine
okay.
that thing and tell what have all you have done as a leader.
So, sir, considering myself leader at that time, I learned like that a leader should be someone who should have who should have confidence to represent his team. He should have those qualities to represent in front of delegates which come and who see your work. So, I think that the leader is a person who have qualities such as confidence, who has the ability of considering everyone's situation, that what are his teammates abilities, and considering all of that, he works and he takes all the decisions according to that, and he manages his team, and his teammates are confident on him. And a leader is a person to whom his teammates believe, and I feel that working with your teammates and taking their confidence matters a lot for a leader. Leader is not someone who is just given a position and he can do whatever his decisions are. He need to consider his teammates also. So I learned from this.
So this is all that you wanted to say about that leadership and being a leader, what you did, and this was from your past. Am I right?
Yes, sir. If I say.
Is there something else you would like to say what is actually a good leader? Because like I'm not satisfied with the answer. One basic thing that is lacking. So before I say, would you like to add? Take a minute and think over it what you have answered. And one point I don't think so that you have mentioned here.
So
Talking about past experience.
what I actually talked about was my experience, what I thought about it, and this was what the my answer is, that what
I just
you.
said you before answering your question. I just said just experience yourself in that particular project and then answer what all you did, and according to that, just give me an analysis of the leadership qualities. So all of the things you said, you just did not mention this thing, and I don't feel so. that you must have acted like that way. You give chance to your mates and your team workers. And leader is not the person who is like just giving orders. Leader is something, and the person who moves along with the co-employees. You are just given a leader, just forget that you are superior of all. You need to move with all. And if you want a job in our company, I will want a person who is just not like giving orders. You have to be one same as the employees. You have to move equally along with them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you
Sir, this is what
why have you
I
not
love.
mentioned that thing? This means like your perception towards leadership that I am the boss and I'm going to answer. Sorry, I don't want this type of person in my company. I want a person who's not ordering, who's helping others and moving with them all, standing at that point where they are facing problems. So
Yes, sir.
you are wrong
That's
here.
what I told you, sir. That I work with my team, and I understood what are their needs, what are their capabilities, and I worked with them. I accomplished my projects, and that shows me that I have those leadership qualities. And I think that everyone has its own point of view regarding, and everyone has its own experience, and that's what I shared with you.
Wind up the interview.
Okay, so just let me ask you a situation-based question. So suppose like you have after 2 or 3 days of time, you are having your sister's marriage, and secondly, at that very moment, before 2 to 3 days, and your boss is aware of this thing that you are going to have a function in your family. At that very, this is just a hypothetical, and I have just imagined. So you have to feel this may happen, this may not be happening. So suppose sister's marriage is there, and you are aware of this thing very well. Your boss is also aware of this thing, and certainly a very important, like billions of deals, like someone has been wanting other companies, MNCs approaching your boss, and all of the employees, among all, you are the one who was like the most trusted. So which thing would you choose? And let me clear this thing: if this deal doesn't happen, like your company will go in billions of loss. So in this case, which thing will you choose? Go to that particular country where the MNC is set up and handle that deal because your boss is asking you to do that, not ordering. He's asking you to do this. And just 3 days after your sister's marriage is there, just answer me this thing, have a thought, and just tell me this thing. Which of the two paths you will be choosing?
Okay. So, sir, I will at that situation I will think about it that whether that for how much time I have to go for the outside country. If I will have to go for you know
The deal and
uh,
the marriage is on the same day.
okay, and I think, sir, at that time, if a company needs me the most at that time, if the company if no one can do at that time, then I will obviously stand for my company. I can I can postpone the marriage and I can work for my company because if at I just cannot if at that time anyone is not available and I am the only one who is responsible and he is the I am the most trustable man for my boss and if any way I am going to benefit my job then I will obviously postpone my sister's marriage and I will obviously go to the outside country at that time.
Okay, okay, good. So just I'm ending towards, we are reaching towards the end. So just tell me the one last thing. What is your aim in life? And like what type of person do you want to see yourself and you want the others to see yourself? Just answer with me and you are done.
Sir, in my life I want to be a man like I am like I like I would like to be a trustful man to whom the others can trust and I work for that and I always I work like a I always work like a team and others should have trust on me and in my about my aim I should I want that I want to work in this field and I want to achieve a higher level in this field only. And I want to achieve a profession and I want to achieve a level like and I want to work in your company.
So this was all, and thanks for giving and thanks for coming. We'll let you soon know about whether you are employed or not. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
How was the interview, Ankit?
At
How
last,
was your?
I feel at
Yes,
last
yes.
I was, not very fluent, and I felt unconfident at the last time because I do not have the answer in the last that what is my aim. So, and
See,
also
in the
there was,
situational based and the behavioral based interviews, it you will be facing like this. And I really appreciate Harsh. You had taken very good interview. I must appreciate you
Thanks a lot, man.
because
Thank you.
the way you had conducted the interview, it is the actual way you guys will be getting the scenario.
yes, ma'am. Even
Really, right?
ma'am, yeah, my confidence is also now boosted more, and it was really a good interview with Harshpreet, and that's why earlier I was not confident, and I didn't give the interview at the first time, but when I got the chance of giving the interview, then I thought that let's make it.
यस यू हैव टू बच्चे ऑल दीज आर योर प्रैक्टिस सेशंस अगर आप यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो रियली ये कॉन्फिडेंस कभी भी नहीं आ पाएगा सीरियसली बोल रही हूँ अभी भी 1 ईयर है आपके पास इन सब चीजों की प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए अगर अभी आपने इस प्लेटफॉर्म को इस अपॉर्चुनिटी का फायदा नहीं उठाया यू विल बी लैकिंग थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ I will not say throughout your degree, I will say throughout your life because it is the only time you can build up your confidence. And seriously telling you, ये अब आपको ये चीजें बड़ी छोटी-छोटी लग रही है कि इससे क्या हो जाएगा, इससे क्या हो बट इन्हीं छोटी-छोटी चीजों से आप अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट कर सकते हो. You will grab that power, you will grasp that power that I can speak in front of anyone, right? So that's how it will be helping you out.
Yes, ma'am. I thought that while interviewing, we think earlier that we will answer like this, and when it comes to the real point,
Yes, but you
we
are
like
not able
slow
to
at
give
the
that.
time. Yes, sometimes the thought doesn't comes in our mind that we want to answer this question. We know that we earlier prepared this, but at that time we are not able to give at all. The ideas do not come at all at that time. Suddenly we're just lost. And what should we answer? What should I say at this point? We're just
Yes, we
lost.
make plans that I have to give answer like this and I have to give like this, but it was not. Harsh, there were more situational based question. You have asked only one question. ठीक है situational based questions और बहुत
Ma'am,
सारे
I
होते
have like written 7, 8. I can take 3 more interviews, but like I wanted to emphasize upon that leadership because, uh, like,
yeah,
so
I can
that's it.
understand
I
that the
can I
question
get
was also
anyone.
very good.
Ma'am, I have like 4, 5, and 6, 7 more. Come who want to give interview? I'm ready to take.
Oh, okay, let's see anybody else is willing to give the interview. Anyone else who is willing to give the interview now कि confidence level और down हो गया. Yes, Dikshant, are you there, Dikshant? ये दीक्षांत को मैं आज सेकंड टाइम कॉल कर रही हूँ इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर एज वेल ही वाज लाइक दिस ही वाज एब्सेंट अब फाइनल एब्सेंट है दीक्षांत आपकी बोल देना इसके फ्रेंड्स जो भी हैं दीक्षांत के अदिति आर यू देयर रोल नंबर 6 अदिति आर यू देयर रोल नंबर 6 आई नो फेस्टिव मोड स्टार्ट हो चुका है बट दैट डजंट मीन कि आप क्लास में ऐसे प्रेजेंट रहो so there is no need to attend the virtual classes on that mode aditi you can't speak okay yes kashish sharma Kashish Sharma, are you there? Karthik, roll number 50. Yes, Karthik, roll number 50, are you there? ये जो आप नहीं आंसर दे रहे ये सब एब्सेंट लगेगी इनकी ओके जसलीन रोल नंबर 46 एवरीवन इज एब्सेंट तो फिर सबकी एब्सेंट ही लगा देते हैं हम जरूरत ही नहीं है ऐसे कॉल करने
No,
की That would be a better option. Jaffer, roll number 44.